ways to get into property, looking at someone to apply for a loan, is deposit and income.
Like, what's the minimum?
Most lenders want 95% max LVR. So LVR, you might hear us say that, means loan to value ratio. 95% is the max, but that's inclusive of mortgage insurance.
So it ends up being like 7% or 8%.
Yeah, you're looking like a 92% lend because that mortgage insurance is a lump sum that gets added on. There are a few lenders that could do up to 98%, but you're super high interest rates and things like that.
Yeah.
And, you know, obviously the conversation we're having with clients a lot is if you don't have the 20% deposit, you know, again, going back to that old thought of I need to save the 20% deposit, I can't buy without it. The conversation of how long would it take you to get to the 20%, and say you might have 10% now and it's going to cost you 20 grand of lender's mortgage insurance today to buy that property, or it's going to take you another 2 years to save the rest of the 10%
Well, that's
deposit.
something a lot of people don't realise. Like, the market increases just as quick. The time that it might take you to save that deposit, which could be 3 or 4 years, market could have gone up another 100 grand.
Yeah, and I've had that, you know, over the years you have the conversation of, you know, they want to buy for 600, like, okay, I need to save $120,000. And they're like, okay, I'll call you when I get to that point. 2 years later, hey, Lee, I've saved 120 grand. You go, okay, cool. Now that 600 grand property is now worth 700,000.
Yeah.
And they're like, and then save another 20,000. And they're always chasing their tail. Have the conversation early with the broker about what you can and can't do, so you know, and sometimes it is worth waiting and saving the extra money.